Hello traders, in this video we are going to be talking about Gann bar counting. All right, so Gann bar counting actually comes from the work of W.D. Gann, who believed that markets move not just based on price but also on time. Now, most traders focus only on price, right, which is where the market is going. But Gann introduced the idea that when the market moves is just as important. So now, bar counting is a simple way to track time in the market. Each candlestick represents a unit of time. For example, 30 minutes, right? Each candle representing 30 minutes, or maybe each candle representing 1 hour, or each candle representing 1 day, right? So traders count these bars from a significant high, all right, to or significant low, okay? Or rather, traders count these bars from a significant high or low to identify potential turning points. For example, if a market reversed after 20 bars previously, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. If a market, right, if a market reversed after 20 bars previously, a trader might watch for a similar reaction after another 20 bars in the future. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Okay, this one was about 17, right? Okay, so basically, the bar counting is talking about both timing and price, right? So this doesn't mean that the market will always repeat exactly, but it helps identify timing patterns. Some traders combine bar counting with support and resistance, or trend analysis to improve accuracy. The key idea is that markets often move in cycles, and time can be a useful tool in identifying those cycles. The key takeaway is price tells you where, but time can help you understand when. All right. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on more valuable trading content. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.